Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Today's date is March 18, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart in this currency pair, and what we saw in last week's trading was a sharp move to the downside in the second half of the week. That move to the downside got below the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's a blue line. Got below the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's a green line, and also fell below the 200 or 100 day moving average. That's that blue line overlay on this 4-hour chart. And all that led to further momentum to the downside, which ultimately found support buyers against this trend line right through here, connecting recent lows. Also, the green line right here, this green line represents the 200-day moving average, and support buyers leaned against that level on Friday, pushed the price higher in the Asian session today, but the price is now moving back down toward that 200-day moving average, toward that trend line near the 0.60734 level. If we get below that level, we have the low of this swing area down to 0.6061 to maneuver through. We did move below those levels during these weeks right through here. Again, it's a 4-hour chart, so each of these vertical lines represents a new trading week. So we did move below those levels through here and here, but could not sustain momentum. Of note is that 2 weeks ago, the market low came in and found support buyers ahead of that low area. And of course, last week, the price couldn't get near it. It was held up by the 200-day moving average. So sellers are trying to make a play, obviously, from last week and continuing in trading this week. If they're able to get below this 200-day moving average, that would open the door and be a requirement for the sellers. If they can't, then we could see a rotation back up toward the moving averages above with the cluster of moving averages, including the 100-day moving average, 200-bar moving average of the 4-hour chart, and 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, all coming into play up here near the 0.6120 to 32 area. So there you have it, a technical look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Sellers try to push lower. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.